Training kind, length, and price, component section. The type of component is a list. You define into list component. You can change or add an item. There's 4 kinds. Unitary, like button, buckle, or a skin. Linear defined length, like zipper or size label. Linear continuous length, like bias or elastic. And finally, weight, like feathers. Remember that you cannot modify the kind of a component after the creation. Code will be used in product, then in cutting slip. Currency and purchase order coming from company, as well as supplier code in purchase order. When you create a component, remember to split the code of the component and the code of the color. Price is specified into price panel. Price will be used into product as cost and buying price in purchase order. You can specify multiple price and quantities, like here. For linear defined length, you have to specify price per length, adding one here for 7 inches. When you duplicate or edit component, the currency must match the currency of the supplier. Otherwise, in list currency, the exchange rate will apply.